Alright, so we're gonna go out get some scallops. Went out the other day. The fish is good. Scallop season started like a week ago. Alright, we're at about 6 meters of water. There should be scallops around here. We've got our scallops. It is a day later because it was too late last night, so they're dead. But I'm going to show you how to shuck them and cook them. So since these ones are dead, they're going to be much easier to shuck because they're open. So, right, so we want to cut the mussel, cut it like that, and that will release the shell from the mussel. This thing. Alright, cool. Just like, just open it up. Alright, so these are like the gills basically. That's the mussel, that's the part you eat, and some people, they don't eat this part, which is like the ovaries and the testicles. So we're gonna eat this and that, because we're not babies. So just pull the whatever the sense of it, pull off the gills and the lining, and that will take all of that off apart from the mussel. Now we just need to get rid of pull out the ovaries out of the guts. There you go. And now we need to release the mussel off of the shell, which is easy. Just put your knife under it and just like that. And then you get slide her off. So we're just going to do that with all of the scallops, and then we'll cook them. Alright, so we've shucked all our scallops. We have one ingredient, and it's garlic butter. So got quite a bit of that, and you want to be generous with it. I actually probably didn't bring enough, but There we go. And what you probably would want to do is dry these off and maybe cover them in flour, but we don't have any paper towels or flour, so we're just gonna go all natural. So yeah, got a little camp stove. Light her up. Hopefully you don't burn us. Very safe. I'll just let that warm up a bit before I put the butter.
Go for it.
Ready. Alright, so it's nice and hot. And then our butter. Let me get this three. Put in our scallops now. You got a bit of water in them, so let it evaporate. What you should do is get your pan much hotter, but this stove is not great. Alright, she's done. It's been like 4 minutes. Let's pour it all in, even all the juices, it's all flavour. Alright, there you go. There's your lovely scallops. Now we pulled out the ovaries about a minute before, just so that because they cook much quicker. So you know, give it a taste. They might be they'll probably be quite hot. Probably wash my hands, but whoa, very hot.
It's total.
Bit hot, but real good. Yummy.
Whoa. You got it?
Alright, done.
This is total garbage.
Be open-minded.
That's not cooked.
That is cooked, trust me. They're just stringy. Done. Come on. Ugh.
That.
What do you mean?
It's disgusting.
It's not. You thought it'd be disgusting from the start, so you know. See, it's good, isn't it? Yummy.
It's cancer. I'm eating it.
Is it good? It's good, eh?
It's so chewy.
Yeah, it's a muscle.
You can have the rest.
No. You can have some. Have some more.
Cancer. I'm not having any more.
Well, you swallowed it. It must have been alright.
You can have the rest. Alright.
Come on, it's not even that
That
bad.
is disgusting. That's so chewy.
Okay.
It's probably fine.
Beautiful cooked. Not at all chewy.
When you're starving, it's great. Isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Very good. This guy clearly just has some retarded taste buds.
It's cancer.
If you like this video, like it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And we're going to try out some different video techniques, like more of a story, you know, less of just montage, but more of a story to the actual video. See if that works out.